Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make super amazing woolen flower with cotton board. To begin, wrap around the wool on cotton board for first layer, second layer, third layer, and fourth layer. Attach needle at the extension of the wool, then sew to secure. Cut one side of the cotton board, then pass the needle and wool inside the spindle of the cotton board. Push the cotton board out, then sew to secure the woolen design to get a rounded shape. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Thank you. Attach two small pearls right at the center of the woolen design. We are done with one piece. Make them 5 pieces and sew them together to make super amazing woolen flower. Sew in a medium-sized pearl right at the center of the woolen flower to make it more beautiful and seamless. I believe you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. At this point, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video. Bye!